The most popular drink here is the latte, actually. Hi, my name is Barrett, and I am the owner and founder of Lawyers Lattes. Lawyers Lattes came about as a result of a desire of mine to open up a sort of Main Street law firm, something open to the public. But I also wanted to do law in a little bit of a different way. I wanted to make something that was more approachable, more accessible, more affordable, more predictable, and without all the sort of things that you normally go through to get into a typical relationship with a lawyer. So we're a full-service law firm and a full-service cafe, and both have to be done right. Both are independent operations that have to meet a certain level. If you come in and you get lousy service at the cafe and the coffee's terrible and cold and whatnot, it doesn't really reflect well on the law side. Of course, we've got clients who are younger people who've never had a lawyer before, people who are starting a business, people who need an incorporation, people who have decided that they've finally got something that they should include in a will. So we're getting all kinds of young people as well. So what I can tell you is that all of our clients, or at least the vast majority of our clients here, are people who have expressed to me that it's been a very positive experience dealing with us. It's been very positive being in an atmosphere where they're comfortable, and they've all expressed that this is something that was long overdue. Mashups and remixes seem to be a big thing. I think as we move forward, people are going to see operations like ours, and they're going to start to expect that alternatives are going to be made available to them in their areas. People have to be creative moving forward, and I think the era of the traditional, typical law firm and the way typical traditional law is being practiced, I think a lot of it's going to come to an end. There's really no reason why you should have to get into a lengthy agreement with a lawyer and spend hours and days and wait for documents to be produced and have a lot of back and forth. We've reduced a lot of that here, and we've taken a lot of what normally would have been done over days and weeks, and we've condensed a lot of these things with technology into minutes or hours. So you can get here and we can do a divorce on the spot, we can do your will on the spot, we can do a shareholders agreement on the spot, we can register a corporation on the spot. So there's no waiting period for these things, and we're finding the younger people, millennials especially, are very drawn to that. I think coffee complements everything, and especially the nice thing about the cafe in terms of complementing the law firm. A coffee shop is one of those environments where people feel most comfortable. If you ask people, where do you go to relax, where do you go to chill out, where do you go to talk with friends, it's by and large a coffee shop. So if you can have someone sitting in a coffee shop, all of a sudden you've taken their blood pressure down, you've taken their stress level down, and you've put them in a totally different mindset. And I'll tell you, visiting a law firm, going to see your lawyer, regardless of what the reason is, it's stressful, and even if the stress is only about what the bill's going to be at the end of the day, there's going to be stress associated with it. And bringing the coffee in the coffee shop environment in particular, that is what I thought was the ideal sort of mashup, the ideal complement.